The following video is a guide on how to use the bag press. Firstly, fully open the top guard by pulling the handle provided. Then lift the handle and rotate the compaction chamber for easy access. Insert the refuse bag as a liner and fold over the top of the chamber. Next, secure the bag into position with the tension cord supplied. Load in the waste into the compaction chamber until full. Rotate and close the chamber and guard back into position. Press the start button and pull the lever down to compact the material. To return the compaction head to the home position, press the start button and pull the lever up. Repeat the loading and compaction steps to add more waste into the chamber. When the chamber is full, it is time to remove the bag from the bag press. Rotate the chamber open. Then remove the tension cord from the bag. For separating the chamber in half, open the handle. Then tie the bag and remove the bag from the bag press.